Okay, example number 1. Given is 2 over 2x plus 4 minus 5a all over x squared plus 2x. So the first step is for us to get the LCD. Okay, so that is the most important part of this operation kasi uh, kapag mali ang ating LCD, obviously mali na rin yung buong subtraction natin. So una natin gagawin is sulat muna natin 2x plus 4 and x squared plus 2x. Okay, so yun yung ano natin. Next step is to factor the denominators. Unahin muna natin itong 2x plus 4. So the factor of 2x plus 4 is, ang common factor niya is 2, then parenthesis, x plus 2. Okay, next. So, kung titignan natin dito sa given na to, ang common factor niya is x. Tapos, x plus 2. Okay. So, una muna natin kunin ano yung parehas na meron sila. So, this is common yung x plus 2, x plus 2. So, this is counted as 1. So, x plus 2. Isa lang ang ano kasi common siya. Tapos, yung iba naman na hindi common, ibababa lang natin. So, bring down x, bring down 2. Arranging them will give us an LCD of 2x parenthesis x plus 2. Okay, so our LCD is 2x over 2x parenthesis x plus 2. So, susulat natin dito. So, 2x parenthesis x plus 2. O, sige, teka. Burahin muna natin ito. Okay. So, ito na ang ating LCD. Ang gagawin natin is i-divide natin itong nakuha nating LCD dito. Tapos, i-multiply natin sa numerator. Okay. We all know that 2x parenthesis x plus 2 and 2x plus 4 are the same. So, pag dinivide natin siya, ang sagot natin dito ay 1. So, 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Copy this one. Next. Okay. So, pag dinivide natin ito, 2x parenthesis x plus 2, then multiply natin dito. Okay, 2x parenthesis x plus 2 divided by x squared plus 2x. The answer is 2. Multiplied to 5a, the answer will be 10a. Okay. Tapos, since may common factor sa 2 minus 10a, ilalabas natin yung common factor na yan. Ayusin natin ito. Okay, pag inilabas natin yan, so that will become 2 parenthesis 1 minus 5a all over 2x parenthesis x plus 2. Okay, what have you noticed? Pag mapapansin nyo, pwede pa natin i-simplify. Cancel this one. So the final answer is 1 minus 5a all over x parenthesis x plus 2. So this is the final answer. So, okay, so let's proceed to example number